Okay guys, welcome back to the test bench. Working on the VOLKSWOOFER M&K. The VOLKSWOOFER 3. And today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean and lubricate the contact on the volume knob. Now, people use deoxit that can dry out the contacts. This is lubricator also. This is what you want to use in your switch gear. This volume knob's kind of special. We're in Milwaukee, and this is nothing short of an Allen Bradley control, an Allen Bradley switch from Milwaukee, volume knob potentiometer. Look at that. Mod Pot, Allen Bradley. Sick. We've got some spray on it. Look at this Japanese, instead of a transistor independent, we've got a power amp here. Integrated power amp, Japan. Look at that sucker. Sick. Okay, let's get some more oil on this Allen Bradley control and see how it turns out. A little bit of Pantera. Maybe some noise left in here, not sure. Yeah, we're gonna refoam that woofer. Nice song. Here we go. Allen Bradley controls. A little bit more. We're gonna work it in. Gravity. We're gonna use gravitron emitters. Oh yeah. Playing a cassette right now. Agfa, made in Germany. The tape was recorded in Milwaukee. Pantera in the 90s, early 90s. I think that's working fine. Doesn't get much better than an Allen Bradley potentiometer. Look at that puppy. That is sick. Well, it's here somewhere, I'm sure of it. Upside down. I think this song might suck. I'm not sure. It's hard to tell right now. We'll find out when we restore the subwoofer. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Okay, bye.